Is the defaultdict in Python's collections module really faster than using setdefault? I've seen other Python programmers use defaultdict from the collections module for the following use case. I've typically approached this problem by using setdefault instead. The docs do in fact claim that using defaultdict is faster, but I've seen the opposite to be true when testing myself. Is there something wrong with how I've set up the tests? For reference, I'm using Python 2.7.3, GCC 4.2.1, Apple Incorporated build 5666.
Yes, there is something wrong. You have put the creation of the defaultdict into the statement instead of the setup. Constructing a new defaultdict is more expensive than a normal dict, and usually that's not the bottleneck you should be profiling in a program. After all, you build your data structures once but you use them many times. If you do your tests like below, you see that defaultdict operations are indeed faster. Python 2.7.3 on 7x64.
If you want to say more, press some hidden subscribing.